Need English for travel, work, or daily life? In this lesson, I'll teach you the most useful phrases for everyday situations. No grammar books, just real English you can use today. Hi everyone, welcome back to Maria's English. Today's lesson is all about essential English for everyday life, also called survival English. Whether you're shopping, asking for help, or meeting someone new, these phrases will help you feel confident and prepared. Let's begin. Let's first look at greetings and introductions. These are the first phrases you'll use in any conversation. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Maria, what's your name? Where are you from? I'm learning English. Here is a tip. Smile and speak clearly. You don't need perfect grammar, just connection. Let's move on to asking for help. Use these when you need assistance. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand. Can you say that again, please? What does this mean? I'm looking for... Here is a tip. Use gestures and point if needed. Most people will help you if you ask politely. Let's now look at shopping and money. Useful for supermarkets, markets, and shops. How much is this? Do you take card? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thank you. I'll take it. Here is a tip. Listen for numbers and prices. Repeat them back to check. Let's move on to our next topic, directions and transport. Use these when traveling or asking for directions. Where is the bus stop? How do I get to the station? Is this seat taken? I need a ticket to London. Does this train go to... Here is a tip. Learn key place names and transport words in your area. Our next topic is polite phrases. These help you sound friendly and respectful. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. That's okay. No problem. Here is a tip. Politeness builds trust and makes communication easier. How do you remember these phrases? I have some practice tips for you. How to remember and use these phrases. Repeat them out loud. Use them in real situations. Write them in a notebook. Practice with a partner. Watch this video again and shadow the phrases. Now that you've learned essential phrases, it's time to practice. Download the worksheet in the comments and continue to the next video in the playlist. We'll focus on pronunciation next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 3. Don't forget to share and subscribe.